Welcome back to the channel. The 2025 BMW R18 is a striking fusion of classic motorcycle heritage and modern engineering, capturing the essence of BMW's long-standing tradition while delivering a powerful and refined ride. This motorcycle isn't just a machine. It's a statement, one that calls back to the glory days of motorcycling with its design cues, while simultaneously embracing contemporary technology and performance standards that today's riders demand. From the moment you lay eyes on the R18, it's clear that BMW has poured meticulous attention into every detail, crafting a bike that speaks to enthusiasts who appreciate both timeless aesthetics and the thrill of the open road. Underneath its retro-inspired exterior lies an impressively engineered heart, the massive 1802 cubic centimeters big boxer engine. This air and oil-cooled boxer twin is the largest displacement boxer engine BMW has ever produced for a motorcycle, and it delivers torque in abundance. Unlike many modern bikes that chase peak horsepower numbers, the R18 focuses on raw torque and smooth delivery, offering a riding experience that's more about feeling connected to the road than chasing top speed. The engine produces a robust 91 lb-ft of torque at just 3,000 RPM, making acceleration effortless and potent even at low speeds. It's the kind of torque that provides instant response, whether you're cruising down a highway or carving through winding back roads. The engineering excellence doesn't stop with the engine. BMW's commitment to craftsmanship and quality is evident in the frame and suspension setup. The R18 features a double cradle steel frame that balances rigidity and comfort, providing stable handling while absorbing the road's imperfections. The front suspension utilizes telescopic forks with a diameter of 49 millimeters, designed to offer a smooth and controlled ride without sacrificing the bike's vintage styling. At the rear, a classic-looking twin-shock absorber setup maintains that old-school vibe but with modern functionality. Despite its hefty engine and frame, the R18 manages to feel surprisingly agile and responsive, allowing riders to enjoy both relaxed cruising and more spirited rides. A significant part of the R18's appeal lies in its design, which effortlessly blends nostalgia with contemporary touches. The silhouette is unmistakably BMW, with the large horizontally opposed cylinders jutting out prominently on each side, a defining characteristic of the boxer engine. The teardrop fuel tank, spoked wheels, and minimalistic fenders evoke a sense of timeless elegance. Chrome accents and a polished metal finish further emphasize the bike's premium feel. The styling is clean and uncluttered, focusing on form and function without excess. The R18 seems to wear its heritage with pride, echoing design elements from classic BMW motorcycles of the 1930s and 1940s, while still looking fresh and relevant on today's streets. Comfort and ergonomics are clearly prioritized, making the R18 not just a showpiece but a practical ride for long-distance touring or weekend adventures. The seat height is set at a moderate 690 millimeters, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. The riding position is relaxed and upright, with forward foot controls and wide handlebars designed to reduce fatigue on extended journeys. The seat itself is thickly padded and shaped to offer excellent support, reflecting BMW's understanding of rider comfort. Optional accessories like a larger windscreen, saddlebags, and a more cushioned pillion seat transform the bike into a capable cruiser for those looking to add some touring capability without compromising the bike's classic look. On the technology front, the R18 subtly integrates modern advancements without overshadowing its vintage soul. While it doesn't resemble a high-tech sport bike loaded with flashy digital displays, it features essential rider aids that enhance safety and convenience. The bike is equipped with BMW's ABS Pro system, which improves braking performance, especially when cornering, ensuring riders maintain control under various conditions. Traction control helps prevent wheel spin during acceleration, a useful feature given the bike's strong torque output. The digital display, though compact and integrated within the classic speedometer housing, provides essential information such as gear position, trip data, and ride modes. The lighting system uses LED technology for better visibility and longevity, while maintaining a traditional round headlamp appearance. Customization plays a key role in the R18's appeal, as BMW offers a wide range of factory accessories and personalization options. This allows riders to tailor the bike to their individual style and needs. Whether you want to add a vintage-style leather saddlebag, upgrade the exhaust for a deeper growl, or install a more elaborate touring setup with additional comfort features, BMW's catalog covers it. This focus on customization reflects a broader trend in the motorcycle world, where riders want machines that not only perform well, but also express their personality and lifestyle. The R18, with its modular approach, becomes more than just a motorcycle. It becomes a canvas for self-expression. The sound of the R18 is another highlight that shouldn't be underestimated. The Boxer engine delivers a distinctive, throaty rumble that echoes through the streets, reminiscent of classic motorcycles, but with a refined modern tone. The exhaust note is deep and resonant, providing an auditory experience that matches the bike's muscular character. This sound, combined with the bike's visual presence, creates an immersive sensory experience that draws attention wherever you ride. For many motorcyclists, that connection between machine and rider, heightened by the engine's voice, is what truly defines the essence of riding. From a practical standpoint, the R18 is built for reliability and ease of maintenance, hallmarks of BMW's engineering philosophy. The air-cooled engine, while simpler than liquid-cooled alternatives, benefits from BMW's decades of experience in crafting durable boxer engines. Maintenance intervals are thoughtfully spaced, and the design allows for relatively straightforward servicing compared to more complex sport bikes or cruisers with heavily integrated electronics. This focus on mechanical simplicity ensures that owners can enjoy their R18 without excessive downtime or costly repairs, adding to its appeal as a long-term investment in riding pleasure. The 2025 model also embraces sustainability in subtle ways. While it's a large displacement engine that naturally consumes more fuel than smaller bikes, BMW has incorporated measures to meet stringent emission standards without compromising performance. Technologies like precise fuel injection and optimized combustion contribute to cleaner running and improved fuel efficiency. Although it's not an electric or hybrid motorcycle, the R18 demonstrates that even classic designs can evolve responsibly within today's environmental expectations. This balance of tradition and innovation positions the R18 as a relevant choice for riders conscious of their ecological footprint. When considering the competition, the BMW R18 occupies a unique niche in the cruiser market. It isn't just another cruiser trying to outdo others in sheer size or power. Instead, it stands apart by combining heritage, craftsmanship, and modern engineering in a way few others can match. Bikes like the Harley-Davidson Softail or Indian Chief share similar cruiser vibes, but the R18's distinctive boxer engine, European engineering pedigree, and customization options give it a fresh perspective. It appeals to riders who want classic styling without sacrificing build quality and reliability, and who appreciate a riding experience that's both engaging and comfortable. The community around the BMW R18 has quickly grown since its initial release, as riders and enthusiasts find common ground in their love for this unique machine. Meetups, custom bike shows, and online forums highlight the diversity of interpretations owners bring to their R18s, showcasing everything from minimalist bobbers to fully outfitted touring machines. BMW has supported this enthusiasm with events and rider groups, fostering a sense of belonging that adds to the ownership experience. For many, the R18 isn't just a motorcycle. It's a lifestyle choice, a statement of identity, and a connection to a storied past with an eye firmly on the future. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW R18 represents a masterful blend of tradition and technology, nostalgia and innovation. It respects the lineage of BMW's iconic boxer motorcycles while offering a riding experience tailored to modern standards of performance, comfort, and safety. From its powerful big boxer engine to its meticulously crafted design and customizable nature, the R18 invites riders to slow down, savor the ride, and appreciate the artistry of motorcycling. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser enthusiast or a newcomer drawn to its classic looks, the BMW R18 delivers a unique, compelling package that stands out in a crowded marketplace. It's not just a motorcycle. It's an homage to the past, a celebration of craftsmanship, and a promise of memorable journeys ahead.